It's like the birth of a baby. Oh, look at this. He's gonna go do a wheelie in the parking lot with my... So yesterday, if you watched the end of the video, Luciano and I looking for motorcycles, and we couldn't find a blue one. Well, it turns out last night, I stayed up late. If you go to the Yamaha dealers, they have an inventory search, and I found one. And it was the only one I could find. It was down in Flemington, New Jersey. It's about an hour and a half ride from here. We're going to take that ride today and hope they still have it in stock. And if they don't, we're going to have to go to Maryland or to Czechoslovakia or something. I don't know. But anyway, a couple of things. The storm damage was pretty bad, and some of the people here, Karen and I personally did not lose a lot of stuff. But our kids had a giant branch go right through their deck, so we're going to have to go over there today. And to be honest, I don't know. I looked at the pictures that they sent, and it looked like there was a lot of damage. But anyway, here's my whole point is I did not know how easy it was to check the inventory of dealers. In my case, what I was looking for was a blue MT-09. I didn't realize that they have the actual pictures of the bikes that are in stock right on basically all the Yamaha websites are the same. There must be a Yamaha thing, because I remember years ago Mike's Train House had the train inventory. You could check which one of their train products. It was pretty cool. So it's a pretty cool thing, and because I worked in inventory control for Ford, I know how inventory control works pretty much. But I wish I knew how to get bikes home, telepath them home without having to call Luciano. Unfortunately, I don't have that invention. But anyway, we do have a day. It looks like it's going to be a nice day. Karen's going to go with me, and we're going motorcycle shopping. And when I looked at some more of the videos, I think I've looked at all of them now that are on YouTube regarding the MT-09. Almost everybody that's not a teenager that's reviewing them likes the seating position, and that to me is the #1 selling feature of a motorcycle, that it does not have clip-ons. And I've never been down to this dealer in Flemington. This will be an interesting ride. Well, we'll see. You never know when you're going to stumble on somebody that's really good, or that they make a long ride and all they have is a green one. I don't know. We're going to find out, but hopefully we will get a blue MT-09 by the end of the day. We'll see how it plays out. Hey guys, you want to come shopping with me? I'm going to buy my birthday present today. You're not interested in going, just feed you more food. I got the picture. Okay boys, who wants to go motorcycle shopping? Just jump in the van. I'll let you drive. Time to harvest some ripe tomatoes before we go shopping for bikes. Oh my God, we're really... And tomatoes and flowers growing in the same pot. How's it look, Care? Did you feed them?
Not yet.
Not yet? They get hungry whether I feed them or not.
Take your car.
So I just want to take 1 second and share this. I found this, and of course most modern people know how to do this. This is new to me. I found a dealer. This is how I found them. You'll look up Yamaha dealers in New Jersey. So once you find a dealer in your area, it's very simple. You put in, and I'm learning this as I go, the search, the year, and all of the pertinent information, and it tells you what bikes they have in inventory. Now I found out the dealer in Flemington does have a blue MT-09, so today I'm going to have to call them and find out if they still have it, and if they do, I'll take a ride down there. And here it shows that they have an MT-09, and they have a black one too. But you know, seeing is believing. When I get down there, they're going to tell me something else. Anyway, and not to belabor this, but there you have the blue MT-09, a 2020 in stock. So we're going to take basically an hour and a half ride and see if they lied. I want to show as we head out the damage from yesterday. The trees are all in the street. Virtually everybody has broken down. There's a big one over there, Care. Big trees in the street. It was quite a storm yesterday. Here's an amazing picture. Some of the damage from the storm from yesterday. Wow, the whole church is bombed out with stuff. Wow. This is a big one right here. Wow, that could do some. Ooh, that really is a big one. More damage over here. What a mess. Well, at least we have some good weather for our first day with the MT-09. I hope. There she is. And we've arrived. Okay, smile.
No, I don't want
You sure you're going to be able to ride that?
The MTs? Nah. The biggest complaint I had was when they first came out, they had the suspension was soft. But
It's like the birth of a baby. Oh, look at this. He's going to go do a wheelie in the parking lot with my new bike. There goes the fairing. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Thank you very much. So there it is, the paperwork. All we're waiting for now is the when they want me to pick it up. Luciano will drive me down there, and we'll start a whole new series of videos, the MT-01 videos. So we've made the arrangements. We're going to pick this up in the next couple days. They have to prep it and everything. It is officially mine. They have to give me the title. It is the latest bike in a windy. Every 10 years we buy a bike. Well, we waited 11. I think this one was worth it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and absolutely this will be part of our next series of videos. And of course, thank you to all the healthcare workers that are taking care of us during this time. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I enjoy making them. Share them with your friends. And this is going to be part of our new series of videos, the MT-09.